Zero trust is a big part of what we do, and identity is kind of the forefront of that zero trust. The certification process has just helped me learn more about Okta in general.
One of the things about being Okta certified is just another icing on the cake to say, okay, he's looking to grow as technology grows, so it's going to open up many doors.
It's really important for us as we partner with other companies and to have a domain expert knowledge of Okta on our team.
Oh, there's a lot of tools that Okta has right now with Okta workflows and with IGA, and I really think that just using the training page helped me a lot to get a little bit more of confidence when I'm doing a test.
I think it was certainly a worthwhile investment of time, energy, money.
And it's helped me kind of go back to my teams and teach them how we could better utilize the platform to modernize our identity platform.
It helps when we're talking to partners that we have someone that's certified.
It should be a requirement in the IT department at work.
I got Okta certified because it will improve my career. And I'm very excited to kind of see how the certification just puts me to the next level.
This is actually my first certification because I've always been scared. You get the opportunity to learn something that's growing, that's on your day-to-day use. It's like, why not? Take full advantage of it.